would I say I'm a mama's boy? I wouldn't say that necessarily, but my mom really is. She's what brings our family together. You know?
Siyempre, your showbiz royalty bilang anak niya Aga Mulat at Shirley, no? Oo, pag sinabi showbiz royalty, parang ang taas, diba? Pero nakakatuwa sa'yo, Andres, ang dali mong ma-reach ng masa, no? I first from Madrid, Spain, no? I've been to Madrid, Spain a lot of times. Last year, actually, yes, 4 times I was there. Pinukwento ka ng mga Pilipino doon na you're so mabait daw, madali ma-reach. Paglaro ka karoon ng basketball sa mga typical mga Pinoy doon, mga anak ng mga friends.
Yes,
and you're so nice, hindi piling sikat.
So yeah, I'm very flattered by those comments. When people tell me that I'm a nice person or people that I'm with, I feel happy, you know, because my parents always told me that just be nice to everyone, no matter who it is, and you know, you never know in the future what they can do for you or what you can do for them, and always just be a blessing really to other people.
Actually, I told your mom and dad about it, no? And your mom, teary-eyed siya, parang iyak siya na ang daming papuri sa'yo, even kay Atasha, super papuri. Yung napaproud sila ni Aga, parents nyo, dahil na sa ugali na ang bata.
Well, definitely, I have to give credit towards you, and that's really my parents, the way that they raised me and Tosh, to always be considerate and always be level-headed, you know, always be humble, and you know, again, just being nice to everyone, always.
Kanino ka mas takot? Kay Aga o kay Shirley?
Neither. Pero, yeah, neither.
Sino mas mahigpit?
Sorry?
Sino mas mahigpit?
Depende sa sitwasyon. Depende lang. But I couldn't say between the two. They're equally as caring, and I wouldn't say they're strict. My parents are very understanding people.
Mama's boy ka ba?
Mama's boy? I mean,
ano yung relationship mo sa mom mo?
My mom, I really love my mom. You know, would I say I'm a mama's boy? I wouldn't say that necessarily, but my mom really is. She's what brings our family together. You know, I look up to my dad, but I have to give credit towards my mom is really the one that keeps our family together, and she's what makes us run really as a family. She keeps us connected. She's the best.
And then, ready ka na ba na? Kasi parang for 22 years na parang in a way, siniled kayo ng parents mo sa mga sa public, ng gano'n, although lumalabas kayo sa mga commercial, ready ka na ba na maging public figure, yung privacy mo medyo mawawala, okay ka lang doon?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'd say I'm ready to make the sacrifices needed in order to, you know, excel in this industry. And yeah.
So far, parang I'm sure mga natatanggap ng mga comments, mga positive pa, mga may natanggap. Pero meron man nakalit na comment like medyo hindi maganda. And how was your reaction?
Well, I try not to really look into the comments really as much. I know that there are good comments and bad comments as well, but I just don't try to let it affect me really. And yeah.
What did your parents say about that? Siyempre, pinrep ka rin nila, di ba? Na people will say things against you or for you. Ano sabi nila?
Well, not necessarily what they've told me, but I understand that there will be people that I cannot please, and there will be people that I can make them smile, right? But at the end of the day, as a person, we can't please everybody in this world. Some people will really enjoy your presence, and some people will doubt you, but I just try not to look at it that way.